This is YETI 10-ounce wine tumbler. Look at this shape. It's good. And when you hold it in your hand, it's pretty stable. It's not like too big for me. And it's made of stainless steel. It's 18-8 stainless steel. And it is vacuum insulated. On the surface, it's like a kind of coating. It's pretty thick. It's like a kind of paint or other stuff, but it's BPA free. And when you're holding it, it's not going to be like a slippery. I like the shape and the color combination. It's really cute. And you can throw it into the dishwasher. So let's look at the top. So here is the little slider. Very convenient when you're on the go. And the best part is here. So it have a little bit overhang, so you just can easily to open the lid. So easy. But actually this is still very firm. It got double seal, double rubber seal, so it's not going to leak. You got a sticker, and look inside. So this is no seal, no joints inside, so this is one piece. You don't need to worry about the quality issues or any leaks. The size is good for any drinks, cocktail, beer, or whatever cold stuff. And you can put your kind of soup inside for your snacks. I think this one is very handy and very cute. And you just put it on your table, and when you need it, just grab this one. Perfect size. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.